What if we kept digging straight down into the Earth? How far could we really go? Humanity has landed on the moon, sent robots to Mars, and explored the far reaches of our solar system. Yet beneath our feet lies a frontier more mysterious than any distant planet. The deepest hole ever drilled by humans reaches only about 12 kilometers into the Earth, barely scratching the surface of a planet that stretches more than 6,300 kilometers to its center. So what stopped us? Extreme heat, crushing pressure, or something even more surprising? Today we're descending layer by layer into the depths of our planet, uncovering hidden worlds, ancient secrets, and the incredible forces that shape life on Earth. This is the journey to the center of the Earth. Have you ever wondered what would happen if we kept digging deeper and deeper into the Earth? Humans have explored outer space, landed on the moon, and sent missions to Mars. Yet when it comes to our own planet, we've barely penetrated its outer shell. Why is reaching the Earth's center so difficult? What lies beneath the surface that even our most advanced technology cannot overcome? Let's begin our descent. At the surface is the crust, the thin outer layer of Earth where nearly all life exists. Just a few feet below the ground, you'll find tunnels created by insects, rodents, and countless underground creatures. Around 6 feet down is the depth where people are commonly buried. At about 13 feet below the surface, archaeologists discovered one of history's greatest treasures, the tomb of the Egyptian pharaoh Tutankhamun, hidden for more than 3,000 years. Deeper still, roughly 65 feet underground, lies the famous Paris catacombs. This vast underground labyrinth contains the remains of nearly 6 million people. During the 18th century, overcrowded cemeteries forced authorities to move human remains into these abandoned tunnels beneath the city. At around 400 feet underground, some of the deepest known tree roots stretch through the soil in search of water. By 700 feet, we reach the deepest sections of the mighty Congo River, one of the deepest rivers on Earth. Near 950 feet below sea level runs the remarkable Seikan Tunnel, connecting 2 Japanese islands beneath the ocean floor. As we continue downward, the environment becomes increasingly hostile. At approximately 2,300 feet underground lies the San Jose Mine in Chile, famous for the dramatic rescue of 33 trapped miners in 2010 after 69 days beneath the Earth. More than 7,200 feet below the surface is Variovkina Cave, one of the deepest natural caves ever explored. Then we reach one of humanity's most extreme workplaces, Mponeng Gold Mine in South Africa. Extending more than 13,000 feet underground, it is among the deepest operating mines on the planet. Temperatures can approach 60 degrees Celsius, making powerful cooling systems essential for workers to survive. But our journey is only beginning. At roughly 29,000 feet, we have descended the equivalent height of Mount Everest. Yet nature goes even deeper. Far beneath the Pacific Ocean lies Challenger Deep, the deepest known point on Earth. At nearly 36,000 feet below sea level, it is so deep that if Mount Everest were placed upside down inside it, the mountain's peak would still remain underwater. Driven by curiosity, scientists attempted to drill even deeper. In 1970, the Soviet Union launched the Kola Superdeep Borehole project. Their goal was not to reach the Earth's core, but to study the structure of the Earth's crust. After decades of drilling, they reached an astonishing depth of 12.26 kilometers, more than 7.5 miles underground. Then they encountered a major obstacle. Temperatures approached 180 degrees Celsius, far hotter than expected. Under such extreme heat and pressure, the surrounding rock began behaving almost like soft plastic, making further drilling nearly impossible. To this day, it remains the deepest artificial hole ever created by humanity. So what lies beneath that point? Scientists cannot physically travel to the Earth's center, but they can study seismic waves generated by earthquakes. These waves reveal that Earth is composed of several distinct layers. The first is the crust, ranging from roughly 5 to 70 kilometers thick. Beneath it lies the mantle, extending nearly 2,900 kilometers downward. The mantle is made mostly of extremely hot silicate rock that slowly flows over millions of years. These massive currents drive continental drift, fuel volcanic activity, and reshape the surface of our planet. Below the mantle is the outer core. Here, iron and nickel exist in a molten liquid state. As these metals move and circulate, they generate Earth's magnetic field, a protective shield that deflects harmful solar radiation from the sun. At the very center lies the inner core. Despite temperatures estimated between 5,000 and 6,000 degrees Celsius, similar to the surface of the sun, the immense pressure keeps this giant sphere of iron and nickel solid. It is one of the most extreme environments known to science, and yet no human has ever come close to reaching it. We've explored distant worlds across space, but beneath our feet remains one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Perhaps one day new technology will allow us to venture deeper than ever before. Until then, the center of the Earth remains an unexplored frontier, hidden in darkness, buried beneath thousands of kilometers of rock, waiting to reveal its secrets. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay safe.